What's up, guys? Today I'm just going to do a quick video on the 270b backhoe, which is on my 2021 2032r John Deere, and it's also the same as for the John Deere 2038r tractor also. So this 270b backhoe, I've been wanting some rubber street pads here for a long time on the stabilizer shoes on the backhoe, and I've seen them anywhere from $150 until today's prices are closer to $200, and they're not quite worth it to pay that much for them to me. But the other day I found somebody on one of the Facebook forums, and I can't remember which one it was, and he had mentioned some at another company that are just rubber bumper pads, but they're the same size, and that was at Zoro.com, and that's these ones here. Now the only difference is the distance between the two pre-drilled holes in each pad is closer together. So I will have to drill one hole on each side of the backhoe stabilizer foot pads for these ones to fit, and I'm okay with that. So that's what I'm going to do today here. I've already marked where I want to put the two new holes at to drill through, and let's get started. Like I said, these were at Zoro.com for the 4 rubber pads, and then the stainless steel bolt kit, which is everything you'll need to do this, was on Amazon. So the complete total for everything here to do this shipped was $33. And so I think that's extremely cheap. These are very heavy duty pieces of rubber. You're not going to hurt them. So I was really impressed with the quality. Let's get started. Let's say it took me 10 minutes to do one side just so I feel like I accomplished something today. But I'm really happy for $33 how this turned out. I got this side done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera because it's going to be the same exact thing. You guys don't need to see double. But like I said, Zorro.com on these rubber pads or bumpers. And then the stainless steel bolt kit on Amazon. So, and it actually comes with a couple more bolts than you need, so you got a couple spares, I guess. But for $33 versus almost $200 for 2 chunks of rubber and a couple bolts, I think we did pretty good here. These fit really nice, and I'm impressed. So if you guys would like to get these, I'm going to put links to the bolts and to the rubber pads in the description below. And leave me some comments what you guys think. One last thing, these will also work perfectly well on the 270b backhoe, maybe the 270a backhoe, and also the 260 backhoe line for the 1025R and the 2025R. So I don't think you can go wrong with these, so you guys give them a try if you're looking for a set of them. It's only $33. Thanks for watching.